Hey guys, Valerie with Sew Trendy Fashion and Accessories here with you today. I just wanted to do a quick video regarding our new referral program that we just rolled out for 2018. It has been a couple months in the works. It has taken a lot of time and energy to put together, but we are so excited that it's finally ready for you. So the idea for this program came from speaking with photographers at events like WPPI, Imaging, Photo Plus, a number of different workshops around the US that we attended last year. And basically the idea is it can be overwhelming sometimes to feel like you have to stock your studio with a whole bunch of newborn props or a whole bunch of gowns, or you may not book a client because they go to someone else who has more products for them to use. So we wanted to come up with a way for both tenured photographers who've been with us for a long time and new photographers who may just be getting into and testing the waters in maternity, newborn, fashion photography, make it easy for them to build a studio wardrobe. And this has been a phenomenal program that way, in that it doesn't take a whole lot of capital, or it doesn't take a whole lot of money to build a studio wardrobe. All it takes is you telling other people about Sew Trendy and what we do and what we stand for. How it works is you register for an account on our website, and in your account you'll have an affiliate link. So you'll provide that affiliate link to your friends, family, coworkers, clients, other photographers in your community. They get a 10% discount to use on their first purchase, and you get a $10 gift card loaded into your account. Now, what's awesome is those $10 gift cards can be compounded. So 10 people go to our website through your affiliate link and purchase something, you've got $100 in your account that you can use towards new gowns, photography props, flower crowns, basically anything that we offer on our website. The other amazing thing is you can pair that with your photographer discount for additional savings, or with other sales that are going on. You can save those and get gift cards if you want to give those away in networking programs or things to help build your following on social media, or just to clients. There's a number of ways that you can use this to your benefit. So a couple of ideas on how to really make this work for your studio is, number one, put it on your website. It's so easy to say, hey, we partner with Sew Trendy, and you can get amazing gowns and props here. We can send you a logo if you want to use that on your website, and then people you don't even know may be shopping for a photographer or just checking out your work and go to the website through your link, and you'll have $10 in your account. Another phenomenal way to do it is to put it in your your studio package for your clients. So when you're sitting down with your client and they're going through gowns or packages, you say, hey, I work with Sew Trendy, here's my affiliate link, you get 10% off because I'm a partner with them. Clients love to hear that you have a company they can go directly to get things like this, rather than them searching on Etsy or the website, or not the website, but Etsy or Amazon or those other sites that they're not entirely sure if what they're getting is quality. This gives them a place to go where they have someone that they know and trust, and that stands behind our products. And then they get their 10% discount, which who doesn't love a discount? Another awesome way to build your studio wardrobe along those lines is to offer a buyback program to your clients. So they purchase a dress, you get a $10 bonus in your account. Then after the session, offer a buyback program where they give the dress to you after the session and get a free print, or get a discount off the studio session fee, or whatever you want to provide. But then not only did you gain the dress from the session, but you've got money sitting in your account to buy something that you really want, or you've been saving for, or something you've seen somewhere of Sew Trendy's that you want to save for. Another great way to do it is to anytime you post photos of Sew Trendy products, put your affiliate link on there, because you don't know who is going to see your photo on the World Wide Web, and they'll say, oh my gosh, I want that dress, and they'll go through that link and you'll get that $10 bonus. So there's so many ways for you to use this to your benefit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. We have a lot of new videos coming, new things on the photographer discount program, different tutorials on how to wear the gowns, how to toss the gowns, just lots of amazing stuff coming your way. So thank you again for watching and have a fabulous day.